Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with People's United Bank easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the People's United Bank website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Budgeting Tools section. Select the Create a Budget option. Input your monthly income in the designated field. Next, categorize your expenses into fixed and variable. For fixed expenses, include items like rent, utilities, and insurance. For variable expenses, consider groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Review the suggested budget percentages provided by the tool. Adjust these percentages based on your personal financial goals. Set limits for each category based on your income and expenses. Save your budget once you've completed all sections. Utilize the tracking feature to monitor your spending. Regularly review your budget to ensure you stay on track. Make adjustments as needed to reflect changes in your financial situation. Take advantage of any alerts or reminders offered by the bank. Consider using the mobile app for convenient access to your budget. By following these steps, you will effectively budget your finances with People's United Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.